Okay.
All right, we're here with Olivia. She's one of our summer staff. Olivia, tell us what your position is this summer.
I am kitchen intern.
Kitchen intern. Cade, tell us what your position is this summer. Awesome. We're going to ask Olivia some questions here and do a little creek walk. All right. So question number 1. What is the easiest way to throw a ball? Have it stop, completely reverse direction after traveling a short distance. How much dirt is there in a hole that is 3 feet deep, 6 feet long, 4 feet wide? Nice! When was the Declaration of Independence signed?
1774.
Flip that 9.
Oh wait, 1970? No. 1776? Okay.
There we go. Okay. So imagine with me that you're sinking in a boat that is surrounded by sharks. How do you survive?
Okay. Sharks are attracted to blood. And what you can do is you can swim away, because if you don't have any cuts on you,
If you hit them in their gills, that's like sensitive, so they'll go away.
Okay. That's what dolphins do.
I've seen Shaquille O'Neal on Shark Week, so I believe it.
Okay. Shaquille O'Neal on Shark Week says punch him in the gills. The answer is you stop imagining that you're sinking in a boat surrounded by sharks. Ready? All right, hey guys, it's Aaron still here with Creek Walking. I've got Terrell and Hallie, a couple of counselors that are here this week. We're gonna see what they know, see if they can get these questions right. All right. So, what's the easiest way to throw a ball so that it will stop, change direction, and come right back to you?
If it's a boomerang.
No, I said ball. These are just tricky. All right.
Okay.
So, imagine that you're traveling on a boat that begins to sink and it's surrounded by sharks. How do you survive?
You don't. You don't.
Jump on a shark.
yeah, right.
Hallie's gonna ride a shark out of there. We're ready to go. All right. The Bay of Bengal. What state is it in?
What?
That's what I said.
What's that?
Confusion? A state of confusion? State a liquid.
That other one. If there are 6 apples and you take 4, how many apples do you have?
I have 6. 6 apples. If I took 4, that means I'm eating the other 2 later.
Or you have 10 because you have 6.
He's got future plans.
Hey, eat healthy, kids.
Who were the first 3 presidents of the United States? Not a trick question.
Washington, Adams, Jefferson.
Nice. Good job.
I know all the presidents.
Oh, well, just keep going.
So. Do I really?
Go for it.
Okay, Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe, Adams, Jackson, Harrison, Tyler, Lincoln, Taylor, Reagan, Bush, and Clinton, Bush, Barack Obama, Trump, and Biden.
Wet water.
Yes. If you pour water into water, it continues to be more water. Therefore, the state of the water gets more wetter because there's more water that's already wet. When you put in the water, it becomes wetter.
All right, so imagine that you're in a boat that's sinking and it's surrounded by sharks. How do you survive?
Let's go. Ultimate.
Real, that's lame.
One possible answer.
That is
I guess.
lame. Okay, you have to actually
Look,
try.
we've had everything from as long as I'm not bleeding, I'm going to swim away and the sharks don't chase me, to I'm going to hop on that shark
I'm gonna
and ride it
assume-
back
I'm gonna go
to
with
safety.
lifeboat.
All right. What happens if you throw a red stone into a blue sea? What does it become?
A red stone in a blue sea. Becomes wet. I know that much.
There you go. Nice. It gets wet. Yep. What is the easiest way to throw a ball so that it stops moving, changes direction, and comes back to you? You're the rec team. You ought to get this one. Oh, it's a ball. It's not a boomerang.
You
It's a
could
ball.
throw it to someone else and they throw it back.
Okay. What if you don't have someone else? What's the easiest way to throw it and have it?
Throw it straight up in the air.
Nice. You're the first person to get that. Straight up in the air.
Yeah. Go right.
All right. So imagine that you're sinking in a boat that is surrounded by sharks. How do you survive? No guesses on how you might survive that. It's sinking for a reason. So my go-to would be to stop imagining that I'm sinking in a boat surrounded by. All right, the Bay of Bengal. What state is it in?
Bengal.
It's in a liquid state. Because it's a bay. It's not
That's a really good question.
all right, well here's an easy one for you. How much dirt is there in a hole that's 3 feet deep, 6 feet wide, and 4 feet long? Well, I said it was easy. Nobody else has missed this one, I'll say that.
How much dirt's in there?
Yeah, how much dirt?
There's no dirt. It's a hole.
There we go, thank you. You made me nervous there for a minute. Whew. Name the first 3 presidents of the United States.
George Washington.
That's one.
James Madison.
That's incorrect.
I don't know. George Washington again.
So what?
James.
That was your first guess.
That's my second guess too.
Like, where are you from? What's your name?
I'm Allison, and from this state.
Did you say this state? Okay, so we're being vague. I like it. What about you?
Carly, and I'm in Cabotton. I'm also from this state.
Nice.
Imagine you just know yourself in there.
All right. So, the Bay of Bengal is in what state?
Oh, a bay.
It's a bay. So, what state would that be in?
Bengal.
And how long has Bengal been a state?
I was your U.S. history teacher. Carly. Oh, Carly.
I don't know.
You don't know when Bengal became a state?
No. Long time ago.
A long time ago. All right, so the Bay of Bengal is in a liquid state.
What?
Because it's a bay.
Oh.
It's water. It's liquid. It's liquid. Yeah, you should be knowing this. All right. How much dirt? You were about to say California. Well, California. I was just about to get it right. It's California. All right. How much dirt is in a hole that is 6 feet deep, 3 foot wide, and 4 foot long?
There's dirt surrounding it. Wait, how much dirt is in it?
How much dirt is in the hole?
There's no dirt in the hole, but it's around the. You picked the wrong.
They're going to argue this out and figure it out. They'll get back to us with an answer here in just a second.
Listen, it's surrounded. You dig the hole. It's surrounded by dirt.
But there's no dirt in it. It's made of.
There is dirt in it.
But there's no.
Yes, there is.
Okay,
You're digging the
there's-
dirt out.
Okay, but how much dirt is in the hole?
There's no dirt in the hole.
It started off with
You picked the wrong people for this.
It started off with dirt in it. I'm here with Luke. He's been in the extension in here, working on his PhD, doctorate in
International Missiology, Doctor of Philosophy.
Very cool. So we're going to do some creek walking with Luke and see if he can beat all you people who have missed most of these. So say there's 6 apples and you take 4 of them. How many apples do you have?
I mean, 6, because they all belong to me to begin with.
Do they though?
Well, I mean, were we at a fruit stand on the side of the road? I mean, did they belong to someone else?
I don't know. And the question is just, there are 6 apples. And You take it forward.
In the ether? In Dry Creek?
Okay. What gets wetter and wetter the more that it dries?
Gideon's Fleece.
Nice!
Will we accept that as an answer?
I'll take it.
Yeah, we're good.
A towel.
Yeah.
All right. What has a head and tail but no body?
A nickel?
There you go. Yep. Coin. And last question. It's probably my favorite. If you take a red stone and throw it into a blue sea, what does it become?
It stays a red stone.
Okay, so what does it become though? Something changes.
Nothing changes.
What would the stone become in a blue sea?
A stone in a blue sea.
Which would make it...
I feel like he's leading me on. I feel like
I'm
he's
trying.
helping out. August the 2nd, 1776.